welcome to the vlog. So today we're going out with Danny and Zablan. So it's currently almost 5:30 and nandito na si Danny, kadadating niya lang. Say hi to the vlog! Oh, hindi pala abot yung camera. Hi!
I'm so oily.
No?
Hi guys! Nagpalit siya ng damit kasi kanina parang anong tawag sa core na yun? Cottage core fit siya. Ngayon it's so different. Wala. I can't do it.
I got my Digicam and my Polaroid because we're gonna take
so
bomb-ass
packed.
pics. We're gonna take
So
bomb-ass
packed.
pics. If we don't take bomb-ass pics, I'm gonna be sad. Okay, we have some tea to spill, guys. We don't have tea to spill.
We're just hanging.
Because of the great separation.
There's no more lure, just triple threat.
No more triple threat, no more weebs.
No more.
No more
Oh, I
nasty
have
boy
no
and bunny
friends.
girl. Oh, okay lang yan. Muscle mommy ka naman. I
Oh
guess.
no. See, you can see the open.
Show them.
Oh, that's so.
Yum! Future med surge right here.
Yes.
Ayun siya! Oh, nasty boy!
Abercrombie.
What time is it?
Ano bang akala mo?
5:30.
Sabi nyo dinner time, kaya kala ko gabi.
I said 5 p.m.
Nasty boy, say hi to the vlog.
Ba't may vlog?
Suspect.
Ko pa nung midterms yung natanong sa akin.
Ay, hindi na siya boss sa study niyo.
We're here! First bite, bestie. Oras? Magkaka-affiliate na ako niyan. So, hi guys! So we just finished eating. So what the pho and some poka. So we had buncha and some matcha. Oh my god!
Ikaw?
7 lahat. Go.
The food! I love the wrap. The broth, not so much.
Yeah, I think it's a 6 for me. Let's get back to the vlog pag nasa CDC na kami. Hey guys, so nasa CDC na kami with Danny and Zablan. So what are we carrying, guys?
Chairs.
Camping chairs. Because what are we gonna do?
Camp.
We're walking ngayon. Naghahanap ng lugar. Magka-camping kami, guys. We're gonna have some deep talks. The deepest talks ever. Ang bagal niya, guys. Tignan mo kami ni Daddy nakaupo na. Tapos siya. Hi, vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Hi, vlog. So, ano pinag-uusapan natin?
About life and chismis and everyone.
How about you? What's your ambag?
Wala.
Ay, feeling mo talaga.
See?
Look at that.
Ang dami mo naman pala engagement eh.
Yeah.
Tingnan mo daw. Actually.
Hi guys, so na-kick out kami sa CDC. Like, pinuntahan kami na nagpapatrol. Ayan o. So, naglalakad na kami pabalik.